Good morning, Jamie, my friend. How you doing? 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 Good morning, Alex. How you doing, my friend? How? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? How are we doing? I was missing the stream. Very much. Let's have a nice London session trading, guys. What do we have today? Financial juice. We don't have much. Half hour after New York Open, we have some news. We have Canadian retail sales in 2.5 hours. So news-wise, we have nothing. Flex, how you doing, my friend? Morning from Morocco. Good morning from Brazil, brother. Jamie, morning. Good morning from the UK. Nice. You trade the London session usually, Jay? JM? How? Munich, Bavaria. Nice. I want to go to Munich, bro. Oktoberfest. Yeah, not Oktoberfest. I'm not drinking too much anymore, but I like the culture. I like the schnitzel. How does it say schnitzel? You're careful in London, but try and catch any manipulation into New York City. Yeah. That's how it goes. Then New York City. Yeah, like New York City is where it's at. 100%. New York City is where it's at. London into New York City has been pretty good. Yeah, I feel like, let's see what's happening, bro. I almost didn't like watch charts at all while I was traveling. Yeah, usually like it picks up at 7, like my time 7:30, you know, like around here, like 20 minutes from now. It's usually where it picks up. Yeah, I think like yesterday there was news about Israel wanting to resume the war. So I think we can be like waiting for that. Like, so yesterday we gave a nice push before open, nice volume. Let's see. Yeah, again a nice push, but hard to trade this. Nothing at all, to be honest. Yeah, there were days that it gave like nice movements, and there were days that didn't do nothing. Let's see if we can catch something. Like the main thing here is like to connect with you guys. Daniel, hello my friend. Marek, hi. How you doing, my friend? How you doing, my brother? Nice to see you guys here. How is it going? Daniel, I remember you were kind of starting to trade. Am I right? How you doing? I have no bottom wick on the daily candle. No bottom wick on the daily candle. Yeah, we have literally no bottom wick at the daily candle. Yeah, we are so close to breaking yesterday's high. Going to mark out this. Alex, you're from Israel. There are rumors that we will probably need to sleep in shelters today or tomorrow. Just rumors. Oh, that's crazy, brother. Like, you're very close to the source. Yeah, like, for real, like at some point, this ceasefire will end for real, and they're going to resume the war at some point. 100% that's going to happen. Like, it doesn't make sense to just, like, it stopped right now, unfortunately. Because for the US cannot, like, declare victory, and the US will only get out of this war if they can, in some way, say that they won, you know? Because one thing is for US to control their airspace and be able to bomb everything, and like, yeah, 100% we knew that they were going to be able to do that. But another thing is to change who's in power, to change the leaders, to like retrieve like uranium, to stop like the atomic thing that Iran is going after. Like, that's the real victory, like for the US, is to change the regime and to like retrieve all the uranium and stop the any atomic improvements that Iran got. And that's not, it still didn't happen, you know? But like the US, I don't know how the US is going to just say like right now, yeah, we won and we got everything we wanted, so we're pulling out. Like, so at some point it will resume. I think 100%. Like, that's only my opinion. So what will that do? Like, that will push markets down, that will push oil up again. Like, it's going to catch all the buyers like off sides, or what that's going to have to do, you know? Sees, like, yeah. Chris, how you doing, my friend? Marek, you just chilling? Nice, bro. You did a cool trade. You bought sugar at 1370 and sold at 1405. Oh, nice. What's the sugar? Let's see, sugars. Futures. Let's see the CFD. Bro, I used to trade like coffee. how do you say, corn? I traded corn at some point. Cattle, I traded. It was nice to trade those things. Like corn, bro, corn is so easy to trade, but it's something that it's not for day trading. It's for swing trading, you know? Like once it goes on a trend, it's like it's forever going. If you catch a trend on corn, it's going forever. Let me see the sugar. Yeah, the chart for the intraday is not that good. I think the 1 hour it's tradable. It's fun. Sugar had a giant drop because Brazil flooded the market. Price started to go up again this week. Oh, yeah, we're making moves. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, Bitcoin's surviving. Bitcoin's surviving. Let's see the weekly chart. Yeah, the weekly chart is on the upper part. It's at the 21 EMA on the weekly. Like if it breaks this, like it's yeah, 82,000 is very probable if it breaks, if it continues to go up. Let's see. Like we broke yesterday's high right now. I guess this was a good long. Alex, you don't understand how NQ is so strong compared to ES. Yeah, today especially, look at the difference. Like NQ is breaking yesterday high and ES is still here. Like look where like yesterday high on ES was here. NQ is breaking that. Yesterday high on ES is here. NQ is breaking that. This is ES. And NQ, it's on highs, you know. Like it just rejected, but like look at the difference. Where ES is and where NQ is. Price feels like it will give a wake up down soon. Yeah, maybe there's a rejection, like at this level. I don't see anything right now. Hi, yesterday I had a payout, Lucid, when I received my money. Lucid is like on the same day. You have to, when you ask the payout, usually people say that it comes like within hours from you requesting it. I don't know where you live if that affects, but sugar had a giant drop because Brazil flooded. Yeah. I don't know, brother. Like, to be honest, Lucid usually pays very quickly, but it's something that you have to ask, like, the support on Lucid, or like see the rules or anything about like how much time does it. I don't know the answer. Oil is trying to go up as well. I don't know how I'm going to, like, on Ninja Trader. I can't, like, I have to. I'm gonna leave it like this because for people to be able to understand what's in the screen. Like, it's usually an NQ the 5 minutes and oil on the 5 minutes. Okay. Bro, NQ is going. What is happening? What is happening? Like, 100% what is going on, bro? Like, I don't understand what is going on. There's no news, there's no nothing, bro. Like, how can we trade this? For real, how can we trade this? Like, I cannot just go long right here. I cannot short. Yeah, like, like, I don't know how I could have caught this push up, man. And it's going, still going. Like, I'm getting used to the charts too. I'm getting used to the charts still, man. Yeah, News, how you doing, my friend? Yeah, I missed the stream 100%, man. I miss all of you guys. Bro, like, once you get used to streaming like this, like talking to you guys, and like, it's fun to do. Like, I miss it. I missed it very much. What was nice, Pasha's stream overall was like awesome to watch. Every time that I had a chance, like was doing nothing, I put on the phone. Alex, yeah. Like like oil here, it's doing nothing, like nothing at all. And NQ is pushing like crazy. Like makes zero sense. Zero. Makes zero sense, guys. Neck. Niet. Niet, it's another thing. Yeah, guys. Like, how do I say this? Like, hit the like. Hit the like. Hit the like. Help a brother out. Yeah, for me it's impossible to trade this. Like, impossible. Like right now I cannot take one single trade. Are you guys trading Apex? Like with the promo and everything? I'm probably going to get more accounts today. Like the $69 activation is very cheap. I'm probably going to try to stock up on accounts. I think it ends Monday night. I have to pass the accounts today or Monday. Try to pass it at least. Yeah, it rejected that push down. It went like almost 15 points up right now. Daniel, you're preferring the end of day on Apex? And the end of day are very good, brother. It's a very good option. It's a very good option. Yeah, I use the intraday because I learned how to manage it. But at the end of the day option is very, very good too. Like it's unthinkable to have an end of day account on Apex. Was like, I never thought that would happen. Intraday has no daily loss limit on Apex. Yeah, on the evals there's no daily loss limit. Like there's none. Do you try to pass an eval as quickly as possible with more risk? Yeah, I trade the evals different than I trade the funded. It's the same trades, but I take more risk. You know, I take more contracts. So what I try to do is I try to take like the trades that are like A+ setups, in my opinion, and I just try to take it with more contracts, and I try to pass as quick as possible. That's what I try to do. Humor has it, Apex rules are making it harder for previous payouts. How previous payouts? The previous, like if you had accounts on the legacy, or how's that? But bro, that, to be honest, there's always rumors about Apex doing this and doing that, and I personally never had a problem. That's the truth, brother. Never had a problem. Every time I got to payout, ask for the payout, they pay me. Zero problem. But if you go on Twitter, Apex is the worst prop firm in the world on Twitter. Like if you create a post saying something bad about Apex, and you like post a picture of a payout that you should have gotten and say like Apex didn't pay me, your post is going to get like 5,000 views, and people are going to comment and give you like attention. So I've realized that people just do that for the attention and for the followers, you know. It's maybe it's not even true. Revamp, yeah, like let's say I'm trading on a 50k account and I'm trading one NQ, like one mini. That's like, if I make like 4 bad trades, I'm out. Like I'm stop out. So the risk to reward on the trades are 1-to-1 at best, and you cannot let, on the intraday, you cannot let like price run in your favor. So you have to, like, that much, you have to take the profits and build the account as quickly as possible. But like, everyone will have like different ways to pass evals. In my opinion, it's just not worth. If you know how to trade, if you have a strategy that makes money, it's not worth to waste like 30 days to pass an account, because you could have passed that account in 1 or 2 days, and the rest of the 28 days you should be trading on a funded, so that all that effort will be like compensated by the payout, instead of like 30 days of effort just to get an eval approved, you know. For how long have you been trading? This year was 10 years. Like January was 10 years. I'm trading since January 2016. I was like 3 years deep into college, and I realized, brother, I'm not gonna make money out of college. And I try to learn something different, and I stumble at trading. And the rest is blood, sweat, and tears and history. I started trading when I was 20 to 21 years old. Ash, I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, I should be looking for longs, and NQ doesn't stop, you know, NQ goes up forever. So I should be looking for longs, to be honest. Me right now? Yeah, bro. Good luck on your journey, Jay. Yeah, a lot of people start trading at college. I don't know why. Maybe it's because like you just realize, bro, what I'm studying right now, I'm not gonna make money out of it. I need to make money, and they try to search ways to make money, and they stumble on like drop shipping or this and that, and the one that stuck was day trading. It was like trading and investing, but I realized that, bro, I'm not gonna become Warren Buffett. I need to make money first. The hype channel, you think we're coming down? Maybe. Daniel, have you been always day trading? Can you live from day trading? Yeah, bro. Like, I don't do nothing else. I just day trade. Like, for income, only day trading. For the last 6 to 7 years. It's hard to look for longs in all-time highs. Yeah, we're pushing up on London session at all-time highs. Like, this is NQ. Look at how ES is doing. Like, ES is 30 points away from breaking yesterday's high. 30 points away. Like, this is yesterday high. This is where ES is right now. And this is yesterday's high. And this is where NQ is right now. NQ is like on a... It's on, I don't know, rage mode. It's going up like crazy. I don't even know. Like, this could be a good short entry right now. But like, look at oil. Oil is dropping. So that can push NQ even up, like even harder to the upside. And like, I'm not ashamed of not taking any trades right now, guys. Like the longs right here were the right answer. Like, it gave a nice setup on the 5, but I was not in the charts. Like, it rejected this fair value gap. The EMAs were crossed to the upside. It gave a nice pullback. You know, like a pullback, started going up again. I would have bought at this point right here. And I guess after it broke the fair value gap, traded above it, stayed above it, I could have been going for longs. But like right now, for me, this is a topping pattern. Like, it's rejecting a lot, it stopped going up, so possible pullback to the 9 EMA. Can maybe incoming, but like NQ is just ripping up on London session. Like, makes zero sense in my opinion for this to be doing that. For it to be going up like this, zero sense. You have the time to learn now, so yeah. When you find out about prop firms, tax. When I found out about prop firms was almost 2 years ago, but I thought it was a scam. Like, this is probably going to scam me. Like, get my cards and number and everything, and and then I saw a Brazilian dude trading Apex, and I was like, bro, let me see if this guy's for real. And I look it up. Like, after a month of seeing the guy trading, I was like, yeah, maybe this is for real. And I started trading like Apex, and I started with Take Profit Trader as well, and it took me a good like 6 months to get things straight. So I'm trading for the past year and a half with prop firms, and bro, to be honest, it's in my opinion, it's the burden of trading your own cash account is like heavy. But trading with prop firms is just like, in my opinion, if you know how to trade, like, it doesn't have a, like, there's no weight. Like, you trade freely, you don't, because if you lose the account, you lost a little bit of money, and that's it. And like, let's say the risk to reward of trading fundeds are very positive, very, very positive. Usually one payout pays for a lot of accounts that you bought and wasn't able to make to pay out. I hit my daily loss limit on my 50k Apex eval account yesterday, so hopefully today I can recover. Yeah, good luck. Just wait for a good setup. Like, don't take like a random trade revamp. The hype channel 800 away from passing the eval. Take your time, take good trades, wait for good opportunities, man. No, Daniel, I'm trading fundeds for the last year and a half. Prop firms. 207 is the peak? Yeah, maybe. Alex, you're trading for 4 months? Yeah. Like, at 4 months, you should be like just trying to learn as much as possible. Different things. See what makes sense to you. See how you can make sense of charts. Jora, yeah, it seems fake. Like, this push up on NQ for sure seems fake. I'm going to get coffee, guys. I'll be right back with you. 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Thank you for waiting. I was getting coffee. Trump markets are wild? Yeah, bro. This music is heavy, brother. Yeah, oil is dropping and Q, like, bro, there's no way I can trade this. Dollar dilution. Try to take longs here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if it
Order
goes
submitted.
again.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if I can get a scalp in. Yes, it's kind of pushing. I have to get the dust out. I have to take something. Is Apex still banning gold, or they are allowing gold to be traded? Does anyone know that? I have to look it up on the website.
Order canceled.
I'm going to add more contracts around the 9 EMA.
Order submit. Order submitted.
I'm only going to stop out this trade if it really gives me a red candle. She always wants to see what's going on in my desk. Daddy's trading, daddy's trading. Show yourself to the stream. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Just woke up. Just woke up. See, oil is dropping. Look at this beauty. giving me luck right now. You're giving me luck right now. Oil is dropping and Q is trying to push. Let's see if I can take this a little bit higher. Ask the guys for a like. Say, please give a like for me. The trade is working. The trade is working right now. Let's see. Like. Oil is pushing down quite a lot. Let's see if NQ has another movement to the upside. Hello, Panites. How you doing, my friend? How are you doing, my brother? Okay.
Order filled.
Ooh, it's going to break. It's going to break. Guys, now we have a light go. Like, that's what I need right here
Order filled.
for me to keep my job. And that's it. Like, the trade worked. Ooh. Trump woke up, maybe?
Order canceled.
Oil dropped like crazy and Q is going up. What's going on? Oil is always almost hitting me in the head. Revamp going along with you, mate. Let's go, man. You just got in. You got in time. You got in time. Javi, isn't the 5-minute candle super bearish? Yeah, brother. If not super bearish at all, I don't see. Like, the 5-minute candles are super bullish, bro. Look at this. Was like a tight trading channel to the downside after a bullish movement. Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it's something. Let me put Dick Strike on my ears right now. Yeah, no news at all. Yeah, guys, like now we have a like goal, and like 100 likes is what I need to keep my job. So you guys gotta help a brother out, you know. That's the main thing right now. Like I was out for like almost 15 days. Pasha is like, bro, you're never coming back. What's going on? Did you forgot that you have a job, bro? What's going on? I'm joking. He did not on that. It was like, bro, take your time. You don't even need to do anything after you come back. He was like a true gentleman. But I'm trying to deliver right now. Yeah, NQ, like jokes aside, NQ is going up like crazy right now. The volume is very, very big. I don't know like what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like makes bro, this is happening at all-time highs, guys. Do you guys understand what's that? Do you guys understand? Netanyahu went under tumor treatment, so like market's pumping because Netanyahu has cancer or something. Welcome back, my dude. Rubber City, 100%. Thank you. This is the biggest squeeze I've ever saw. Yeah, I've seen bigger squeezes, but like for sure. But this is strange because it's at all-time highs. This is happening at all-time highs, guys. Do you guys understand that? This is happening at all-time highs. It's not on all-time highs of whatever. This is NASDAQ 100 all-time highs. Like this is the biggest market in the world and it's squeezing out at all-time highs. Look at this. Like this is the daily chart. Brother, I was longing at all-time highs. I took profits at all-time highs. This is the truth. Like we just took trades at all-time highs, going long at all-time highs, and taking profits at what was the time at all-time highs. And it's still pushing. Look at the volume. It's the biggest volume of the whole day. It's comparable to volumes inside a New York session. Like, look at this. Financial Juice didn't bro, like let me just here let me just like read. Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu underwent treatment for an early stage prostate tumor. Let me tell you something about early stage prostate tumor. It's like if you like he probably has the best doctors in the world right now. If it's early stage prostate tumor, he's back and running in 5 days, 6 days, 10 days. Depends what it's he's going to do. If he's going to do surgery to remove it, he's up and running 7 days. I'm not saying that it's nothing. It's very, very serious, but with today's medicine, early stage prostate tumor, if he's just going to do like surgery to remove it, he's back and running in 7 days. Not Netanyahu? Well. And it's saying that he underwent, so he already did the treatment. Yeah, what is going on? Like, I cannot take... Can I go long again? Like, how am I supposed to go long on all-time highs, guys? That's the problem. This is literally all-time highs. This is literally all-time highs. $27K 500, yeah, 100%. Yeah, is it the next like mental level? And like someone said earlier that the daily chart has no wicks on the bottom. That's very strange, you know. Has a 0 wicks. Like, what was the last time that a daily chart had no wicks to one side? It's always has something. Like, today's gonna be like, I don't even know what was the last day that the daily chart had no wicks to one side. I can't even find it. Like, so today's gonna be the day that it's going to close with 0 wicks to the downside. You know what that tells us? Maybe a sweeperoo it's coming. I'm going to take a short
Order
here.
filled. Order filled.
I don't even care at all. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Let's see. And if it bumps a little bit more, I'm going to take another short on the break of this high.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And I will probably stop out if it closes above 320. Yeah, my wife wants to enter. I'm here, guys. Like, this short is very reckless, to be honest. Very, very reckless. Because, like, look at the charts. It's bumping like crazy, but I think a pullback, it's possible. I just want, like, this 5 minute to close like this. It's just 2 micros. If it breaks the highs, I want to enter with 2 more. And if it closes above 320, 325, I'm stopping out this trade. Trader. I'm back. Like, this is, if this push is because the news of Netanyahu undergoing like the treatment, like, I think it's a big overreaction. Doesn't make sense. AMD is up 12%, crazy. Skipper, isn't NQ now too overextended? Yeah, like, one thing that I've learned, like a hard lesson that I learned, nothing is ever overextended, or like, it always can push up more or push down more. Always, it always can. So, but charts wise, makes sense to say that it's overextended. Like, it's at all-time highs, you know. So that's why I'm taking shorts, because I'm seeing that there was a big volume here. It's on a news that I don't think it's that good to the market. Makes no sense. And this 5 minute candle closed with a big rejection on the upside. Like, big rejection. what I usually try to do is I'm taking the shorts here. If it breaks the high of this candle, I'm adding more, because sometimes it just breaks and reverses. But if it breaks and close a green candle above 320, 325, I'm getting out of all of it, you know? That's what I'm going to do. Cuidado, amor. Me manda sua localização pra eu ficar olhando, tá bom? Ooh, that's longs right there. My wife is... What's up, Mango? I'm jumping in the morning session if you want to come into the live stream. Savvy Trades, how you doing, my friend? Alex, have a gap on the daily open? Yeah, 100%. Like, if this 5-minute closes red like this, I'm probably adding to this trade. What's up, boss? Why did the market go up now? Mango, like, there was a news about Netanyahu having early stage prostate tumor treatment. But I think it's an overreaction, because like this type of treatment today with today's medicine, he's probably going to be fine very quickly. But I don't know, like, if market's going to react like that, because guys, we have a like goal. Like, it's just like hit the like button for me to hit the like goal. It's going to be awesome if you can do that. Thank you, everyone that's here. Skipper, Leo, are you trading full time? Yeah, bro, I don't do nothing, like nothing else. I really don't do nothing else. I wake up and I look at charts, and I keep looking at charts until the time that I go to sleep. That's not good. That's actually not good. That's not healthy at all. Don't do that. But oil is also dropping with same high volume. Yeah, oil is also dropping, but look at this right now. It stopped dropping. It stopped. I'm going to add one more to this trade.
Order submitted.
You look healthy, brother. You must work out. Brother, like, yeah, like I was 20 pounds heavier than I am right now. More than 20 pounds, to be honest. And I was probably 20-25 pounds heavier than what I am right now. Like, I lost a lot of weight in the last 6 months, 6 to 7 months. But I was on vacation for the last like 15 days, bro. I gained a lot of weight on the last 15 days. It's crazy. Like my look at this. Like, I have like double chin right now. But I look, bro. I let go of the wheel on this 15 days. Like, I drank so much Dr. Pepper. Like, it's a guilty pleasure. I like Dr. Pepper, and it does not sell in Brazil. So, bro, I went to like 7-Eleven. I bought like the big gulp, like almost every day. Ice, Dr. Pepper, and went about my day. Like, straight up. That was it. Oh, don't do that. It's pushing.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, the ad worked. Quick ad worked. Let's see. Quick 25 points on those ads. I don't believe that you only look at screen. Yeah. Yeah, no, I do. I do. The main problem is that
Order filled. Order submitted.
the main problem is that market's ripping right now and I cannot gather my thoughts. Let's see. I have to be ready to stop out this trade at any moment. Yeah, this is news going against me. Yeah, this is good news coming out. I'm stopping out. Bro, it was a very green trade, and out of nowhere news came out, and Iran foreign minister expected in Islamabad on Friday night. Yeah, yes, it's pushing up like crazy. Bro, the trade was going fine, and news came out and wrecked the trade, bro. Like, why is that? That's my luck right there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Like, I'm getting a little more risky with this account. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Siren sound, bro. Like, is siren sound in two North Israel towns? Like, there's a news saying that sirens sound in two North Israel towns. Maybe it's Israel towns are getting attacked. There's no way, bro.
Order filled.
I'm closing this trade. Yeah, today's gonna be like crazy. Trading pennies, how you doing, my friend? This makes no sense at all. Yeah, 100% makes zero sense, to be honest. How you doing, trading pennies? Good morning, my friend. James the Trader. I hit 5 minis versus 5 micro short in a blue funded account that was up 6K. Oh, James, like, you hit up 5 minis instead of 5 micros. You were short. Oh, brother. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I just got like a bad trade, but like none compared to yeah, bro. Like, James, take the day off, do something, like buy something for yourself, go shopping, like spend money on yourself today, like go walking, go to the gym. If you like to play games all day, because the feeling of blowing a funded account or losing money or like you cannot The worst thing to do is to keep trading right now. To go for another account, to do an eval, right? Yeah, that's the worst thing to do right now. You have to do something for yourself for to be happy. Like whenever I lose a funded account that I try just to take the day off, to be honest. Vinicius Miguel, how much time do you trade? I trade for 10 years, brother. I have to answer you in English, just like because there's majority of the people here. I'm trading for 10 years. Good to have you back. Trading pennies, awesome, bro. I missed this a lot. I missed the community. I miss trading with you guys. I miss trading overall. 15 days off charts. It's crazy. I don't remember, like, yeah, the last time I was like 15 days away from charts was when I went to New York last year. Henry, you want to YOLO a short? I don't think that's the best idea right now. Total Dark, good morning. The worst is to ruin an account on Friday, yeah. On Friday especially, yeah, it's not good. It's the worst. That's why, bro, like if you lose an account on Friday, that sometimes you lose an account and you don't feel nothing, but if you get like and you don't, but you don't, if you lost the account and you don't feel good, it's you better off to take the day off and go into the weekend and treat yourself and like do something. Oh, mango, okay, 100%. Yeah, I didn't take that trade. I was on a call. What happened? Yeah, there was news again about Iran's foreign minister expected in Islamabad on Friday night. And there was a news right now saying siren sound in 2 North Israel towns, but I don't know if that's anything important. Yeah, 15 minutes look too bullish, yeah. Yeah, it's at all-time highs and pushing. At all-time highs and pushing. It's going like crazy. I was on a good chart and the news came out and yeah. Like, what I know is that oil is dropping like crazy. That's what I know. S&P is flying, oil is dropping like crazy, and Q is... S&P right now is even crazier. Look at the sound. Yes, broke all-time highs, yeah. Yes, just broke all-time highs. This is oil is dropping like, oh my god, it's dropping like crazy right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm taking this short right here. I'm seeing a little bit of a rejection.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know if it breaks previous candles low, but maybe.
Order submitted.
Like S&P just broke all-time highs, maybe a little bit of a rejection incoming. Long or short? I'm to the short side. Let's see. I'm a little bit more aggressive with this account. Not much, but I am. It's a full counter trend move. The 2 minutes are not breaking lows.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Pasha will short his ass
Order
off right now.
filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, he'll probably be long, bro. At some point right here, he was just going to go long. If I know him, at some point on these pushes here, he was just like go long and wait. That's he would probably be long. Yeah, on the daily chart, Mango, there's no wicks to the downside on the daily chart. There's 0 wick on the daily chart, and like that, the last time that happened was like, I don't even know, I look up like 4 months and I didn't find. So is today the day that the daily chart will close without any wicks to the downside, you know? I don't think so. So we have like a 300 points move to the downside to be made. And I took the charts here because it was like the second or the third push to the upside, and S&P broke all-time highs. So S&P completed the move and start rejecting. I took the shorts because of that. And it was like a quick stop, 20-point stop as well, because if it kept pushing up like crazy, I would just get out of the trade. We are very smart. Bitcoin made you crazy money. Congrats, bro. If you're making money on Bitcoin, you're better than 95% of people. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, if you're enjoying the trades, if you're enjoying the company, the conversations, hit the like button, subscribe to the stream. And this is only London session. It's the Pasha will come in with the New York session in 1 hour, 1 hour and a half or something. So we have a whole day ahead of us. Thank you. Marlon, yeah, I'm Brazilian, bro. Like done. Thank you, very smart. You're very smart, to be honest. If you hit the like button, you must be very smart. Yeah, there's a rumor around that only people that are profitable or are going to be profitable trading hit the like button. There's a real legend around this channel that like only 73 people are profitable right now. It's the truth, man. I'm not making that up. Like, people that are here longer knows that usually only the people that are going to make money or are making money in the markets hit the like button, because otherwise they are too grumpy, you know. Yeah, this short's playing, but overall it's a counter trend trade, boys. Like, I took partials, like I took 5 micros, took partials around here. I'm back green on the day. If it starts pushing up again, I'm getting out of this trade. Like, there's a fair value gap here, right here, like the middle point of it. I should probably get out at the middle point of it. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm
Order
closing
filled.
this trade. Was a nice almost 40 points on this last micro. So it was a good trade overall. I recovered the stop loss and yeah, mainly I took this short right here because of the rejection of the S&P. It was not even because of NQ. NQ is way up, more extended than S&P, and when S&P broke all-time highs, started rejecting, the volume went down. I was like, bro, I'm better. Like NQ is more extended than S&P, so pullback on NQ is more probable. Like, but like I made that decision like in a split second, guys. I just started clicking the short button. Like it's not even. I could be wrong. I could be dead ass wrong, you know. Marek, I knew you were Brazilian. You look like the best man ever, Alex Pereira. Bro, if I look anything like Alex Poatan Pereira, bro, I would be happy. I would be happy. Poatan is the real deal. He's the real deal, man. He's going to heavyweight now. Any of you guys follow UFC? He's going to fight heavyweight at the White House. It's going to be crazy. Mango went short at 35-ish. Beautiful. 3 minutes, 700 on the eval. Quick bucks. Beautiful. Yeah, we have the 9 EMA. And we have this fair value gap on the 5 right now. Is my internet working? Yeah, it's working. You guys like connections stopped or no? My Apex connection stopped. See, my chart's not moving. Now it's back. I disconnected and connected again with Potan rocks, and you look a lot like a younger version of him. Bro, do I look like Alex Potan? Like, let me do this. Let me do this. My webcam reacts to movements of my hand, and I have to stop that because, you know. Yeah, for real. Like, Alex Potan right now. Do you know? And he comes in and, you know. Yeah, he's the real deal. If you guys don't follow UFC, you at least have to follow Alex Pereira, man. He's the real deal. He's insane. Yeah. Shama. He's just like, he speaks absolute zero English. Right now he understands English. He understands English, but Shama, a little bit of English he understands, but like he speaks very little English. He just says Shama, and everyone understands what he means. So hit the like button for Alex Poitin Pereira. If not, he's going to come into your dreams and knock you out, bro. Knock you out cold. Yeah, the Bronx, it's fighting in the UFC for 15 years. And he knows zero English overall. He understands English, to be honest. He understands English, but he cannot speak it. To understand English, it's easier. But to start speaking, you have like a people are like embarrassed to speak wrong, and I just say wrong, like the wrong words, the wrong sentences, and I mix, like you guys see, I mix the, like on a sentence, I mix past with future with like on the terms, on the construction of the phrases. Sometimes I mix like past with future with plural with, like, you know, but I really don't care, bro. If I can make myself like understood, it's all good. Yeah, but the pullback came, like, it's almost a 60 points pullback. I took like 25 points, then 40 points, and that's it. Czar Trader, how you doing, my friend? You missed the move? Yeah, bro, like these two pushes right here was like news. This was one news and this was another one. And now it's just like returning to the 9 EMA. But it's heavy right now. It's kind of heavy. I'm almost trying to go long here. Let's see. I'm trying. I need one little bit more push to the downside. I want to go long. Bro, your English is pretty good. Yeah, my English is pretty good. Like for a second language, my English is pretty good. English doesn't have rule, bro. Yeah, no, that's like English is mainly like for you to make sense of what you're saying, of what you want to say. You cannot mix something that means the past with something that you're trying to say is going to happen in the future, or if you're talking on plural when you're trying to talk about one single thing, and like, you know, it's just things to make you understood, you know, to make people understand you the right way. Is the grammar, like not the grammar, but to construct a phrase on English is easy. So that's why a lot of people learn English very quickly. I'm going too long here.
Order filled.
I don't care. But Portuguese, for example, bro, it's very complicated. There's too many details. Maybe French is like that too, but Portuguese 100%, there's too many details. J-Rod, how you doing, my friend? It's nice to be back, 100%. It's nice to be back. Marek, you hear grammar mistakes because you teach English? Yeah, well, that's the thing, like the grammar. Yeah, I make mistakes 100%, but if my goal with English is just to get myself understood by others. Like, I don't even know if that's the right way to say it, understood by others, you know? Like, I went to the hotel when I was traveling. My goal is to know English enough to be able to you know, talk to the people that are working there and communicate. That's my main thing. If I'm able to communicate, that's enough. But like in Portuguese, that's what I'm saying. In Portuguese, bro, it's a way longer road because there's some type of things that if you say, you can, people won't understand you if you don't know the right way to say it, you know. It will be harder. Sorry, trader, I'm good. Yeah, missed it. Stuck in a queue waiting for a takeaway. Went out for lunch in the wrong time. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, something that I realized, that I didn't like realize before is that, I don't know if your Americans are, but I'm saying for the American people and for the Americans that are in the live stream right now can say they're like if I'm wrong or not, but you guys don't emphasize lunch very much. It's like lunch for you guys is just as you just eat like a snack or a sub or something, but you guys eat like breakfast and dinner. Like those are the main meals. But in Brazil it's different. Like the lunch is the main meal of the day. You know, like breakfast. A lot of people doesn't even eat anything. Dinner is a nice like it's the meal that you take with your family. Or lunch, but lunch is usually the main meal of the day. So people have like lunch hours. Like usually people have like up to 2 hours between their work job, but between morning and afternoon their works, 2 hours to lunch, you know. Stop, camera, stop. My god, she starts moving. Guys, we just hit the like go, bro. You guys deliver it. And someone bro, we hit the like go and someone took out the like, bro. Short squeeze that dude. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. Short squeeze that dude. Tom Black, yep. Trippier, what's the reason for the long? Like, it's just a pullback on the 9 EMA. If it closes like at 63, probably I'm getting out of this trade. It's just a longer than 9 EMA. Like, it makes, like, it's nothing more than that. There's this little order block right here that if it gets, like, violated, or if it starts trading below 270, I'm getting out. Now we have a feast, bro. We'll be having a good layout. Tacos, burritos, rice, beans, and grilled onions. Yeah, bro. Not bad at all. Yeah, bro. I ate the best tacos of my life in Orlando. Yeah, and I don't even know if Orlando is like it's the best. Like probably there's better ones, but I went to a diner, not a diner. I think a restaurant was at night. And I ordered American tacos, bro. 10 out of 10. I could have ate like 10 of them. The hype channel, you think we're coming back up? Yeah, bro, I really think we probably do a little push up. Like, at least to do a lower high, you know? Maybe we push up a little bit, do a lower high around 325, 320, 319. And push back down, or we can go like straight up, or bro, to be honest, we can go like down, all the way down again. Like I'm taking this trade because it's a little pullback on a big push, big move up. It's around the 9 EMA. You can see that the candles are getting like smaller and smaller. That means that the sellers are not that aggressive anymore. So maybe the 9 EMA is getting like respected a little bit. That's why I'm going long, you know. And if it breaks to 270 or below 270, I'm getting out. That's it. I'm taking the stop. I'm taking the stop loss. I'm probably taking one micro out around 305 because there's a fair value gap right here.
Order submitted.
I'm trying to take like this to do this. Daniel, yeah, like the daily chart has no wick on the downside, so like in my opinion, there's a very good chance that we reverse all the way down. But maybe today's the day that it's going to close a candle without wicks to the downside. Revamp Texas, yeah, probably tacos or in Texas are awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting out of this trade. Like, should have gone, like, broken this 5-minute high and should kept going up. I have a question. When you make trade like this, do you move stop loss at entry point? Depends, Marek. If it starts going my way aggressively, I put a stop loss at the entry point. A break even, like I only put stop loss at my entry point when I'm like, when I'm close to getting out of the trade, you know. Because if I'm close to getting out of taking profit, like I might as well put at least a stop loss at break even. But I don't put my stop loss at break even to let the trade keep going. Like if I put my stop loss at break even, is because I'm wanting to get out of the trade. Yeah, so this new candle right here, there's a usually a good chance that it breaks this low right here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
There's a good chance. Revamp, how many evals account I'm trading? Right now I'm trading this one. Only this one. I'm waiting to see if this low right here gets taken, and after that there's probably this region right here that I'm going to try to take longs around the 21 EMA. Like, but see how price is slowing down? This means that's like I'm going to stay long with 2 micros right here. Like I see maybe a pullback it's coming. I know that this low right here can be taken, but I'm going to add at the 21 EMA if that happens. And if it breaks the 21 EMA, I'm getting out of the trade. That's how it's going to go.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm going to try to long at the 21 EMA around the half side of the fair value gap. Almost the next hour is in 4 minutes, so maybe a little bit of a volatility incoming. Whoa, 240 of you. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for all the likes that you guys like. You guys hit the goal, and I just like increased the goal. Thank you guys. Alex, you took shorts from 326. 326. You could trail this trade. You could put your stop loss at 281. You could do the trail. I would get out once it breaks the 263 level. I would get out. I would get out like maybe at 263 or wait for the 21 EMA if I was on shorts. Like I'm taking this trade right here because I want to be long. And I'm going to add at the 21 EMA. And if it breaks the 21 EMA, I'm getting out. That's it, guys. That's what's going to happen. I'm going to get coffee. I'll be right back, guys. Like it's 30 seconds. I'll be right back. Don't get out. Hit the like button. I'm back, brother. Oh, there's longs coming in. There's longs coming in. Rishit. Hey Leo, how you been? How was your travel? Bro, I'm good, and the travel was awesome. The vacation was awesome. It was very good to rest, take my mind off work, you know. But I'm back. It was a very good trip overall. Like Florida is beautiful. Like I went to a lot of beautiful places. There are some places that I wasn't able to go, like the Florida Springs. A lot of springs they have. I wasn't able to go there. But I traveled like more than 2,000 miles overall, like driving. We went to like the Emerald Coast on like on Destin. Bro, beautiful cities, beautiful small communities. We went to Sarasota. Bro, Sarasota is in my heart right now. Beautiful city, beautiful ocean. Yeah. Marek, have a great day, you. Yeah, maybe this is a good long, maybe it isn't. Let me see one thing. How was the opening candle? I think I'm going to get more Apex evals for me to trade on New York session today. Let me see this 1 second. Had to get my card ready. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna take advantage of the promo of the activation fees on the 50K, bro. Like it's cheap right now. It's very cheap right now. Let me get some accounts. And it's like my plan after coming back from this trip is to stack up on accounts, you know. So I want to finish May next month with 10 accounts funded. Yeah, it's only for intraday. Yeah, it's only for intraday. I use the intraday. I want to be like, and bro, using Pasha's code, bro. That's the real luck that you have to get. Pay now. Just got. Let's see if I get more. Bum, 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 bum. Be like Mike. Yeah, I want like 10 funded accounts, guys, because then I can trade smoothly. I can trade like one micro, like Pasha is doing. Don't risk much and build up accounts, because if you trade 1, 2, 3 accounts, 4 accounts at a time, if you lose 1 or 2 accounts, you're already like, oh bro, you know. I'm going to build to 10 accounts. Yeah, and when you want above buffer on the accounts, bro, that's the dream because you can trade very smooth. You don't need to rush. You're already above buffer. If you make $100 in account and you're on a 10 accounts, you literally made $1,000, you know. And if you take like 1 month and you do that consistently, you made 20K in a month, and you can take all of the money out. But I cannot rush. I have to take it slow, you know. Your J-Rod, your goal is 5 in the next 2 months. Yeah, I'm taking like very slow. Like I'm taking it very slow. Yeah, J-Rod. Yeah, I want to finish the first semester with 10 accounts, trading 10 accounts. That's what I want to do. Because I was always like trading. The max funded that I had at one point was 6 accounts. I'm not the guy that goes for 20. It's unrealistic, man. Like for majority of the people, like for you to spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month on evals or activation fees, it's a lot, man. And I do make money out of prop firms, but I have to I have to pay my bills. I have to pay for everything that it costs for me to live. So if I take all of that and reinvest on getting more evals, I have to do that at some point, like to push to 10 or 20 evals. I have to do that at some point, but that's what I'm going to do right now. Like I want to finish June, like the first semester, with 10 fundeds above buffer. That's what I want. So I have more than 2 months to do that, to get 10 fundeds and get 10 funded above buffer. So, and if I don't get them above buffer, it's okay too, but you know. Total dork, yeah, I love take profit for the daily withdrawals. Yeah, that's what I probably want 5 Apex and 5 take profit trader, and then 5 my funded futures. That's what I want, because the daily payouts on take profit trader are very good. You don't need to take it like daily, but if you can do like if I make like $500 in each account, that's $2,500, and you can take out. And if you do that in 3 days, 2 days, 1 day, 10 days, it's good. Like every time you go $500, you take a payout on each account, you know. Dima, how you doing, my friend? Long time no see. Yeah, the vacation was awesome. It was very good. I I love Florida. The next trip to Florida, I'm probably doing like the Florida Keys and Miami. I didn't go to Miami. I went to Tampa to see a show, to see a concert of a country artist that I like. And I went to Tampa, then went to Sarasota, then like Orlando, then took like went up to the Emerald Coast, to Destin, Alice Beach, Miramar Beach. What else? We stayed there like for 5 days, then went back to Orlando and took the flight home. I feel a lot of pressure appendixing 20 accounts at once. Yeah, like if you build up to 20 accounts is one thing, but if you start at the goal with 20 accounts, like you pass 20 accounts and start with 20 accounts, if you're not like used to that, it can take a toll on you 100%. Even if it's like it's sim funded, but it takes a toll on you. You like Lucid? Yeah, Lucid is very good too. And if you're going to take any evals, use code Pasha, guys. Use code Pasha to keep the stream going, pay for the bills. You're on BTC USD, dude? No, this is NQ and Crude Oil, brother. Yeah, the trade is working, kind of working right now. I want to see if it breaks 295. It has to break
Order
295.
submitted.
No, 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 no,
Order
no.
canceled.
It has to break 295. I see buyers coming in. Yeah, guys, we are almost at the next leg goal. You've been in Tampa and Destin last year. Beautiful. Yeah, like, bro, I saw a lot of like F-22s, F-35s, C-130s, like flying. I think they have a air base close to Destin. I don't know if that's true, but I think they have like the army or the navy or the like air thing have a base close to Destin. I saw 3 like F-22s, F-35s. I don't know what it is, but probably F-22s flying like, bro, like 3 flying over the beach, bro, like crazy sound. Beautiful to see, bro. I never thought I would see that. Like from Brazil, we don't have that, you know. And I saw a C-130. Let me Google C-130 plane. Yeah, it looks like a C-130, bro. Like those cargo planes, it looked like one, bro. Awesome to see that flying over you. Yes, they do it on black. Yeah, bro. Yeah. World of Tanks. Where do you see buyers coming in? The tick strike sound. Those beeping sounds. One of the types of sounds are buyers. One of the types are sellers. So whenever I hear it, I know that the buyers are taking big positions. And you usually see on the charts reacting. Virginia Beach, there's a Navy base if you want to see ships and planes. Yeah, brother. Dor Julius, do you make lesson or teach individual? Dorju. Brother, I don't have a trading course, and I never like teach individual. Like, to be honest with you guys, Pasha was saying to me that some people want like individual coaching. Some people like ask for that, but we don't offer that. But I could offer that to some of you that need it. Like, bro, I need 1 hour of your time to an individual coaching, or 2 hours of your time. But right now I don't do that. Like, I don't know how I don't even know how we can do that, you know? Because I can like answer you on Discord. Dor Julinus Linus, join the Discord. The link is on the description. It's free. I'm there. I'm a mod there. You can send me a DM and I will respond to you. But some people are actually like wanting yeah, some classes or teach, like, how do you use Fibonacci? I want to learn. How do you use like the EMAs? I want to learn. How do like the fair value gaps and the order blocks? How do you use that? How do you take trades? What do you see? Like, at some point, like, it takes a lot of time to answer that. So I don't know. Maybe we do something. Set up a live stream class. You guys want that? I really like. The last thing that I want is to be like, is first the ones that are here every day, like all of you that are here every day. I remember all of your names. I enjoy talking to you guys every day, and I don't want to be like, bro, like he's trying to sell me anything, because I don't want you guys to feel that. But sometimes people ask, you know, for that, like, bro, you know, and I won't sell anything. I won't charge you guys anything if it's not okay, you know. I'm not gonna say, bro, just send me this amount of money and I will do 1 hour. That's not like how it works, bro. Like, the community, it's worth more than trying to make like some type of money out of any of you. Dor Julius started trading a month ago, but no hope. I'm just gambling on Bitcoin. Yeah, brother. Yeah, don't lose your money. Trade prop firms. Like if you want to start learning anything, I always say that make a Apex Trader funding account, get an eval, use the code Pasha, you get 90% discount. But buy one 50K account, trade one micro. If you buy one 50K account, it's $24, and you will have 30 days to train. You like think like this. If you want to learn trading with $24 on Apex, you get 30 days of experience. Trade one micro, try to learn something, and you have 30 days to train. It's not even too far to pass the eval. If you're just starting, you just have to use that time to train. Take trades, see how price moves, like try to learn like how to use EMAs and try to apply that to see if you're able to apply that,
Order canceled.
Like this trade that I took was mainly because of EMAs. There's nothing more than that, Dima, sell me something, please. I'm addicted. Yeah, bro. One of the things that people don't know how to build for themselves are like trading plans and risk management. Some people learn very quick how to make money, but they don't learn how to lose money in a proper way. Like how to cut losses, how to size appropriately, The tick sounds is on TradingView. Sorry, Word of Thanks, it's Financial Juice. There's a link on the description that you can click. It's Financial Juice. And there's a free version and there's a pay version. The free version has delays, but it's on Financial Juice. It's when you enter Financial Juice website, there's on the right side, there's something that you can click for you to hear for yourself the clicking sounds. The tick sounds is on trading pennies. Ooh, I'm getting out of this. I'm getting out of this trade. I think Pete Hexaf is saying something. Trading pennies. A great review would be a replay of the prior day in real time. Slow down with you narrating what you are seeing and thinking. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Maybe that's a thing that we can do. Like we have to talk to Pasha to see what he thinks about that, but that's a thing that we can do. Like it's the way I study charts. I really go like, let's say I'm going to yesterday's and I see what is going on, and I try to really understand what would I think when this was going to happen. What should I be thinking? How should I have reacted? Why did I not react that way? Or if I did react the right way, what was the decision point? Where the decision came from? And I try to be as honest as possible. Like, let's say this candle right here was a big red candle breaking structure. I could say that, well, like if it's breaking structure, the EMAs are crossed to the downside, it's a big volume, I would short here and take all this profit down. No, I wouldn't, because I would not take the shorts after this big candle right here, because I know this is a news candle. I would be afraid of taking this short, and I would not have taken this short. And I was at the charts yesterday, I saw this big red candle and I did not take the shorts. So if you're doing a replay, you have to be honest with yourself, But here I took the shorts right here because it's a movement down, a pullback, and a movement here. I remember taking these shorts, Pull back to the 9 EMA. So a replay, if you're honest with yourself, it helps a lot. Dor Julius, you're not going far just by knowing some patterns. Yeah, bro, if you just started trading, you have a road ahead of you, bro. Like, you have to learn like, how do you learn like to read? You learn letter by letter first, then you try to add those letters together, then you try syllables, and then you learn how to speak a full word, then you learn how to connect words with each other, then you're reading. Trading is the same thing. You have to start, like, you have to learn something. If you learn first chart patterns, that's good. Then you add those chart patterns with support and resistance, and you learn that, and then you learn how does EMA works. If you don't like EMAs, like, bro, I learned how the EMAs works, but I don't see how that's useful to me. I'm not going to use it. I learned how chart patterns work. I don't see how that's useful to me. I cannot make money out of it. I'm not using. So maybe I'm going to use like fair value gaps, order blocks, ICT concepts, and it seems that like that's useful. So I'm gonna keep using that. So you put the VWAP on the chart, learn how the VWAP works. The VWAP is this and that. When price approaches VWAP, it does this and that. Why VWAP is important, who uses VWAP, and after you learn how VWAP works, you have to decide, is that useful to me or no? If it's useful, you start using that. If it's not useful, you erase that from your chart, but you learn that. You know what it is. You learn how it works. And you jump to the next thing. Learn Fibonacci. Learn how Fibonacci retracements work, how extensions work. Try to see if that's useful to you. If that's useful to you, keep using. If it is not, take out. And that's how you create and construct a trading plan, a trading strategy, a trading system. You know, that's my opinion. Iran has attacked 5 merchant vessels. Anti-fly just blew your account on that candle. Oh, sorry, brother. Yeah. Justin, right? How you doing? The more bad news we get, the more the prices skyrocket. Yeah, that's crazy. Dorju Linus, what would you say? Someone with 100 bucks capital, I'm using 100 to 1 leverage, and I'm 0.04 lots. You should not lose more than 5 bucks per trade. So I don't know how much leverage that. I don't trade like CFDs in a long. I'm not trading CFDs for the last like 3 or 4 years. But you should not risk more than 5 bucks in a single trade, bro. You should not.
Order filled.
I'm going long again. The 21 EMA rejection came in and I got scared out of it.
Order submitted.
Let's see if it keeps going up. I want to add around
Order submitted. Order submitted.
21 EMA again. No problem, Dor. Good morning, Leo. Good to see you. Welcome back, Leo. How you doing? Big belly button. I'm doing very good. It's nice to be back. Justin, right? It's good to see you here too, bro. I miss the chat a lot. I miss you guys. Bro, we are almost hitting the next likes goal. 150 likes for the amount of people that we're having. It's crazy. Thank you guys. Some buyers coming in. I'm going to call you Dor, bro. Yeah, it's too complicated. Mix Canadian. Mix. How mix? I mix, bro. I mix like everything. In Brazil, we like the majority of the people are mixed everything. Bro, my grandparents, like my four grandparents, one it's Spanish, one is half Italian, half Portuguese, one is half German, half German, and I did forgot. And one of my grandmothers are half Indian, half African, like black, one third Indian, one third African, and I don't know, like, and mixture of everything. And I'm all of that. I have a grandparent that's half Spanish, half Portuguese, half Italian, half Portuguese, half German, half whatever. I don't remember. One of my grandmothers, and one of my grandmothers are her mother was Indian and her father was like African descent, you know. So I'm mixed like crazy. And I look like this, you know. I look like Brazilian as hell, you know. Like when I say Indian, I mean like native, indigenous Brazilian people. One of my grandmothers are half that. Yeah, bro, I'm a supo. In Brazil, like almost like 80% of Brazil is it's a mixture of everything. Crazy resistance around 265, yeah. We need this long to push up after that previous 5-minute bottom wick. Yeah, this 5-minute bottom wick is like a rejection of the 21 EMA. I got scared out because it started moving.
Series of events.
Yeah.
And it's because
this Secretary of War is speaking right now, so I don't know. Hi Pasha guys, please, how do you configure Ninja to be able to place both buy and sell limit orders? Yeah, you use like, I'm using something called, you have to download, it's something called Order Line Decorator and something called Trading from Charts. Google that. It's an add-on that you have to buy and install on NinjaTrader. There's videos on YouTube about it. For me to teach you how to do that right now, it's complicated because I don't even know how I did. You know, it's set up for like, I set NinjaTrader up like two or 3 years ago. But look for trading from charts, and then you use like, I can put this order right here. I'm just clicking shift. I'm clicking shift on my keyboard and I'm clicking, you know.
Order canceled.
And I'm if I want to place a buy order, I'm clicking out on my keyboard and I'm
order submitted.
Buy order is shift
submitted.
and a sell order is alt.
Order
You know.
submitted. Order canceled.
Sorry for all the order cancels and thing. What caused us to go up so much? This news right here, this push from like these 3 candles right here, was a news about the Netanyahu's health. He went undergo treatment for prostate cancer, and this push right here was from Iran representative going to Islamabad on Friday. Does it work with Trade-O-Vate accounts too? I don't think so. On Trade-O-Vate is like easier too, because you just click on the screen and select buy or sell. The way you put orders on Trade-O-Vate is easy too. Yeah, this trade is now going my way. Be right back, 1 second. Back, bro. Bro, 3 likes away, guys. I need 3 profitable traders to hit the like button right now. Yeah, this trade is not looking good. It didn't go like 5 points in my favor.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have to be ready to stop out this trade right now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, guys, thank you for the likes. You guys smashed the like button. Yeah, this is an eval right now, guys. It's not looking pretty right now. I should get out of this trade because it's trading below the 21 EMA. It's probably going to squeeze down. I'm going to get out of this trade.
Order filled.
Oil is going up. Yeah, it's breaking down, guys. Kind of rejecting. High volume. I don't know, boys. What we can do. It's the green indicator of your VWAP. No, it's the 21 EMA. Exponential moving average, bro. Oil is pumping 100%, Alex. What do you do? What do you do with Pasha? Yeah, bro. Pasha's coming in. It's coming in a few minutes with New York session open. It's the green indicator your VWAP. No, crazy that oil pumps, but NQ still goes up. Yeah, yeah. They're kind of doing the opposite. Like, NQ is giving a pullback, and oil is doing a push up. How you guys doing? Hi Leo, stream does start early today, or will it always be like this? I'm new here. Thanks for the content. Mental Edge, this is a London session stream. It starts 3.5 hours before New York session, 4 hours before New York session usually. And I'm going to get out in the next like 10 or 15 minutes because Pasha is coming in with the New York session stream. and we just jump to that. Like, this is the London session. Pasha is coming in with the New York session, and we just jump to that, you know? Like, I was on vacation for the last like 15 days, like 10 trading days or something, and I was not doing the London session because of that. But like right now I'm back and we're doing the London session, and there's also the Sunday stream on Asia Open on Sunday. When the markets open on Sunday, there's a stream there too for you guys. A lot of you guys trade London. A lot of you guys trade Asia Open on Sundays, you know. Looks like a liquidity sweep on the fair value gap, yeah. We did. Why did we hit new highs? Dayton. Yeah, brother, there was a push because of some news that came out. There was two different news that made those two pushes up, but now we're giving a pullback. I was stopped from my position with this volatility. Yeah, bro. Sorry. Punya, how long have I been trading? January completed 10 years. So more than 10 years now. Mascanada just hit the radio. Questions: how come US 30 usually follows what NQ does in every session, expect for a New York session? Yeah, like the indexes are very correlated. Sometimes they push, sometimes a lot of times they push together to one side. I get little sleep trading London, New York, and Asia sessions. Yeah, bro, if you trade all those 3 sessions, bro, it's crazy, to be honest. Like, I prefer New York session overall, but London session is good too. You get some good movements. I made some dumb decisions over here. Like, this trade that I took here should not have taken. You short from 300, beautiful. You're going to take on the daily open? Yeah, that's a very good possibility that we go for the daily open. That we pull back to yesterday's high at least. So that's like 100 points to the downside. And the daily chart for the today has no wicks to the bottom. So maybe we do a wick to the bottom of the daily chart too. Should we go short? Brother, right now I wouldn't short. I would not take shorts here. Right now, no. If you have a good average, you stay, but I would not take shorts around here. Maybe if you're on the 1 minute, you should be taking shorts, you know, because the EMAs are crossed to the downside. But like right now, I don't know. You have to keep track of this right now. Like this level right here and this level right here on the 1 minute. But for sure, on the 1 minute, it's aimed to the downside, you know. It's market structure, like I've always said, like it's lower high right here, and it just made a lower low right here. So we are aiming to the downside, you know. So we made lower lows and we made lower highs. The price action is aimed to the downside. For the past 2 days, Asia session has dropped the NQ. Yeah. Yeah, London session is usually getting the NQ bought up, you know. But it's holding on this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, there's buyers right now. Yeah, push down like crazy right now. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. 10 minutes from now, Pasha's coming in. Hit the like button right now. Let's see what we can do. Yes, crossing the 5 minutes. Yeah, like it actually crossed on the 5 minutes. So like I'm going to stay 1 more minute and I'm going to let you guys go. And you guys come back for a New York session. Pasha is almost coming. It's almost coming in. I'm going to send you guys the link on the chat right now. You can click on that and that's the link that Pasha is coming in. Hit the like button, guys. Let's get to 200. Can we get to 200? Dima, nice to see you, brother. Touch and drop, yeah. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. It's very nice to be back on the stream. It's very cool to be back on the stream. You guys were awesome today. Thank you for your company. Thank you for like staying, hitting the like button, engaging on the chat. It's awesome to talk to you guys, to trade with you guys. So Pasha is probably coming in a few minutes. I send you guys on the chat the link. Hit the like button. Let's hit the 200 likes. It's a very nice mark for me. And today's Friday. I see you guys on Sunday open stream on Asia session, and it's going to be awesome. Let's end this Friday on a green note. Let's not like push ourselves more than we need to. Like Friday is not the day that you make the majority of your money. You have to make the money from Monday, Tuesday. I don't know the days in English, bro. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday is the day that you just, like, if you make profit, nice, but it's not the day for you to push hard. It's the day for you to take your foot off the gas, to be honest. Protect the money that you made. Let's try to pass some evals. Friday is great for that. Like, there's promos everywhere. And see you guys in a few minutes with New York session. Pasha is coming in a little bit. See you guys in a little bit. Thank you. Thank you very much.